Alright, got this one done. I probably could spend a little more time on this one trying to perfect it out, but I'm not. I mean, literally I could make the rest of this look like this, but why? There you go. I had to beat on this one. This one actually has an angle. You can see if you look at it, I had to bend this one a funky shape to get it to do what I wanted it to do. This had an angle on it, and so the tire will come up through here. It'll work out perfect. But this patch was a pain in the ass because I had to literally twist it into shape. I don't know if it's because of the angle, the way that goes, or what, but it didn't just quite do what I wanted, so I just made the patch. And it's actually pretty cool looking because it comes in at an angle like that and then comes around and then goes right into this. Kind of like a ramp or whatever. Anyway, so yeah, and I had to beat on it with the hammer to get it all down and everything. So, but you know, like I said, that'll be covered. Be covered with a wheel tub, and it's gonna work just fine. So, I need to pick all this stuff up. It's 9:15. I haven't been out here all night, but I thought I'd come back out real quick and clean up some stuff. I've got to take this brace off there, which I'll probably do the next day. And I always like to put these. I've got a nut that I put in here. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. Just to keep this from falling off. Because after all that work, you sure don't want it to fall off there and get bent up or jacked up or whatever. But that bar, that brace in there is keeping my trunk pan that direction a little bit, so it doesn't line up exactly like it needs to until I take that brace off, and it'll be on the money. Pull that blazer back inside. Good enough for now. So that'll come back that way when this brace, that brace is in here, so it still slide that way a little bit more. It's pretty well bottomed out right there, but you can see how it comes in, just kind of forms around. So, all right, that's it. Pretty happy with that one. It was a lot of work, but yep. So I got to move all this stuff out of the way and slide everything back, pull my blazer back in. So that's going to be it for tonight. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.